682 subscribers. So this is something. So using these tools, you can see that ranking score, and also it has the summarized. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I will show you guys how to determine the YouTube trend. So if you are like me, you are seeking for make money from YouTube, here the theory how to know the trends. Okay, the trend based on your research on YouTube, because it's very simple to see the trend on YouTube because the data already there. You don't need to do some AI, you just do by yourself. Which niche you want to deep in, which category you want to search for. So here, how to determine the trend. So as simple as the rank. So we have to rank the trend by using this formula. You don't need to be confused about this because it's so simple formula, so simple calculation. So let's say we want to determine the rank of bunch of videos. So we just divide the views by the date of the video published, and then times or multiplied by the subscribers. Let me show you the example. For instance, if you found on YouTube 1 million views and it's uploaded only 1 days ago, let's say 1 days ago, and then the subscribers, let's say less than 1,000. This means the rank will be set very high, which is nobody, only less than 100 subscribers, nobody. And then she or he just uploaded yesterday and got 1 million views. Definitely she or he become viral. This content viral, which is algorithm or YouTube find this content suitable to spread out across the globe or across the YouTube environment. That's why this formula is really powerful. Views divide by date times the subscribers. Another instance, if you have the 1 million views, let's say the same views, 1 million views, and then the date is upload, okay, 1 day ago, and then subscribers is 10 million. This is like Mr. Beast. So for Mr. Beast get 1 million views in 1 day, it's no wonder. It's no brainer. It's so easy for him. But if nobody with less than 100 subscribers has 1 million views, which is nobody, which is it's impossible to him to that views, which is the content is the key. So that context or content is the viral momentum. Okay, that's the formula how to determine YouTube trends. But you don't need to worry because I just created the Google Chrome extension to find these trends. So let me show you on the YouTube. So let's say you want to find a trend regarding, let's say, Elon Musk. Okay, see, you can see on your screen here, every single videos has the upload date, publish date, and then it has the subscribers. Okay, and then here you can see on the left top corner has the trend score. This is the trend score that I told you earlier, views by date time multiplied by subscribers. Okay, and then if we scroll down until we found many videos up here, and then you just find by yourself which is the which one videos regarding Elon Musk that has the score, the highest score better. So if you found, see this one, Elon Musk doing 2008 breaking point. No, not this one. This one, because it uploaded 2 days ago. Okay, 2 days ago, it's 682 subscribers. So this is something. So using these tools, you can see that ranking score, and also it has the summarized. Let me show you. If I press the Chrome extension and then I click this generate analytics report, and then it will generate the table. So let's say I want to sort it by the score. So I have this, okay, this debris. You just exclude or you just find by filtering Elon Musk. Like that, see, I have this video 6.9 by score 2 days ago. The subscribers only 682, and then the views got 1600. No, yeah, 1600, which means this man do something and then it goes viral. So you open that one, and then you just recreate or refactor. You just recreate or refactor videos. Okay, Elon Musk 2008 breaking point. I don't know what it what it talked about. And then you another example. This one, 29 ago, subscribers. Okay, it's a lot of subscribers. I think about 14K, and then the views 700K. Wow, it's 700K. So let's see what it says. Okay, so basically those two are talking about Elon Musk in the past. And that's maybe trending right now in TikTok and Instagram. That's why on YouTube also it was viral. So if you want to install these tools, it's really easy to install and it's free for now. You just click on the link description below, and that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.